To download Microsoft Teams on your iPad, we'll start by finding the App Store. You can either find the App Store on your home screen, or if you're not sure where to find it, you can always use the search. Just swipe down from the middle of your screen, and the search field opens. Then you'll type App Store and tap the App Store in the search results. This is the marketplace for all the apps on your iPad. You can either browse the list of popular apps, or use the search tool if you know exactly what you're looking for. I'm going to hit the search icon on the top of my screen, and from the search page, I'll then activate the text field so I can type in my search. I'll look for MS Teams, and usually a popular app like this will be the first result, outside of the ad that often takes the first spot on top left. You can then tap the app to view more info about it. You'll see reviews, technical details, and stuff like that. To download the app, we'll just tap the blue Get button on the top. Your iPad will ask you to authenticate with Face ID, Touch ID, or passcode, and the download will begin. One part I really hate is that even when downloading free apps, if you look closely, you'll see a message briefly flash and say, "Processing payment," right before the download starts. This obviously confuses a lot of users, but you won't be charged anything as long as the blue download button did not list a price on it. For paid apps, you'd see a price instead of the simple Get button. Once the app is downloaded, you can open it from here, or you can find it from your home screen and open it from there. You can also move it on your home screen. Just tap, hold, and drag it to your preferred position. Choose any page, or you can even put it in the dock on the bottom, which makes it accessible all the time regardless of which page of your home screen you're looking at. And that's how you download Teams, or really any app. Click that like button if this helped, and why not subscribe as well? I post similar guides almost every day. Thanks all, until next time.